and that as well in the 71st Senior Nationals. What an final we are able to see this season, this time, cause these types of finals we are not able to see. These are the gradual changes over the years, and in that of what and raid we are going to see into the tiebreaker. First raid is of Indian the services that in here got tackled, which means a point is going to be added for them. One successful point out of 5. It is going to be an hard thing to believe here for services, and the Indian Railways already scoring 2 points. That is and not so necessary, and that way as well here 1 point is gifted to the services. That means they are having a clear-cut strategy. But here, if a successful tackle is done by services, then it could end up here for Indian Railways. They are thinking that they are in a winning situation for them, cause that one extra point was given. One defender was standing in front. Here, anything can happen. What are we going to be seeing? Guman is in raid. Can he get a point? It is the most necessary thing for him right now. In this time, the touch line is an bonus line. If you are even able to cross that line, then you get a bonus. That means you get, if you are lucky enough to get here. No, that is an tackle. 1 more points into the points for services. 2 for each. 2 for services, 2 for Indian Railways. The tiebreaker is being tied up here. Next raid is going to be of services. Let's see who is coming in raid for. I guess Naveen Kumar is coming. Yeah, Naveen Express is coming, and if he is successful to take point, then it is going to be a really hard thing. Oh, they are giving point. Why are they actually giving point? I guess their strategy is that give them a point, give them a single point, and then try to get 2 or double or triple points from raiding side. Indian Railways 2 points, services 3 points. Services having a lead here into the tiebreaker. What an match this was, and clear-cut lead for Indian Railways into the starting first half until the end of, and at the end 29-29, then 30-30. The score gradually changed. Here the need for the point is excessive, and Ajinkya Pawar getting that point for Indian Railways. The tiebreaker is tied up once again. This time, who is going to be going for services? I guess Devank is going. Yes, Devank is going to be a miracle for his team as he was for Patna Pirates this season. If that really happens, services could get that glory once again. No, the point is given by Indian Railways. I guess some type of soup is getting cooked up into the pressure cooker of Indian Railways. What actually are they thinking here? 4 points for services, 3 points for Indian Railways. Only a 1 point lead into the tie breaker. Here what actually is needed is an successful tackle. Sudhakar M in raid. If he gets tackled, then everything can be changed by the team of services. The successful tackle is all that are needed. And yes, that comeback, that dash from the back, that is what services had needed. That means this is going to be an victory for services. 3 for Indian Railways, 5 for services into the tiebreaker. This time it is going to be an easy thing, because even if they lose a point in this last very raid, it is going to be a not so clear cut and bad thing for them. That is going to be not a big deal for them. It is going to be a win-win situation for Indian services. I guess we got the champions of 71st Senior National Finals. Here after a longer wait than more a year, we are seeing Indian Railways and services into the final, and in that as well, services winning the finals. They are cooking up the soup once again. It is going to be give a 1 point, give the last point. 6 for services, 3 for Indian Railways. Last point would be given. They would also think that what can we evenly do. Sunil came in, got that handshake and went back. Here Indian services cheering up, celebrating their victory after a whole year. Last season, there was Haryana winning. This year, Services won yet again against Indian Railways. Once again, they were the runner ups.